In fact, I would go so far as to say project management is a GRC type job. So you just basically want to level up from there. And then if you leadership, as we talked about, this is also something that's going to help you in govern, but you're going to have to get smarter on IT, get more IT under your belt. Industry experience, specifically with things like healthcare, financial sector. Somebody mentioned hospitality. If you have knowledge of what the processes of that organization or of what that industry is, then that's really going to help you out. Like me being in the military, I know how Department of Defense works. I know what kind of policies they use. I know what their missions are. I know the difference between a TS, SCI, a secret, and like I've been there, worked in there. So for me, when I got out of the military and started doing contracting, and I knew how it worked. So I was easily able to get a job with Northrop Grumman, who had a contract with a unit within Department of Defense, because I knew that field. And if you're in the financial sector and you want to do GRC, you have an industry knowledge or industry experience in that is really going to help you out quite a bit.